Today we got a rear wing for the bed. Let's get this opened. Yeah, it came with some instructions. Looks like maybe mounting plates. And under there. That's a pretty good sized wing actually. Wow, this thing's a lot bigger than I expected. It's going to look really nice on the back. Let's get this going. And it's actually a good size, just even with the body on each side. It's probably going to be more like, I'll probably have it back, like right there. Get the brackets out, get her going. Alright, I sawed the wing bracket off. Now this part will fit right over the tailgate. After I cut out both brackets, I bolt them together, line up the edges, and then I file them so that way they're the same. Okay, I got the positions marked out 32 inches apart. So the brackets are going to go right on that line. I'm going to squeeze in the bottom. So right there is where I'm going to drill. Put nut zerts into the tailgate. Cut the plastic out around it so it'll all be flush. Okay, we got these marked. We're going to drill. Just got to hold the bracket here over that mark. I push in. Okay, got the top hole. Line this up with a square and we'll drill the bottom hole. And for the bottom hole, I'm going to take this and probably cut it up a little bit and come down and back up and over. Okay, I got all the pilot holes. I left a little tab for the bracket, but I trimmed it up higher. Now I got to drill the tailgate for the nut zerts. I'm using these little 1032 nut zerts. So we got to open up this hole. And we got to open up this one. We got little nut zerts in. This new zert tool works pretty slick. We all know if you open anti-seize, it gets everywhere. If you put it on the bolts, it gets everywhere. So I put it on a Q-tip and I'll just put it down in the threads. Hopefully that doesn't get everywhere. Peel off all the adhesive tape.